Good morning. I'm Paul Cruz, the owner of Christian Brothers Automotive in Bolingbrook, Illinois. We're located at 714 South Weber Road. We do automotive and motor repair and maintenance for all makes, all models, both foreign and domestic. I'd like to share with you some of the things we call the nice difference. Come on in. One of the nice difference that I like you to be aware of is what we call tech support. We're not aware of too many other shops having this capability. We actually have the ability to have our technicians send a message to home office in Houston when we have a concern with a diagnosis. And so they will literally go in on their tablets and say, Houston, we have a problem. This screen up here shows you a listing of some of the diagnosis issues that techs are having around the country for Christian Brothers as we speak today. On the left-hand side, you see some of the issues that they've come across, and they have notified Houston. In the middle there, it gives the status of where that particular ticket is, and on the right, it gives you the list of technicians that have contributed to the solutions. So they also have the ability to contribute to giving solutions to problems that they see on the screen, in addition to the 5 master techs in Houston. Today, which is about noon, we've had 145 technicians around the country at Christian Brothers Automotive take advantage of this service. Another nice different feature we have here at Christian Brothers Automotive in Bolingbrook is the ability to program, reprogram, do calibrations of vehicles for all makes and all models. Just like my watch and phones, many of the computers here in these vehicles need to be reprogrammed. Many shops have to send that out and they ask you to go to the dealership, or they have a mobile unit try to come in and do it for you. Here in Bolingbrook and Christian Brothers, we can do it right in our shop. We have done everything from a Chevy to a Bentley relative to reprogramming and programming. They are done with these laptops and the modules you see here. For example, this module is for Ford and this is for GM. We have the capability of doing pretty much all makes, all models in order to reprogram and program. This is a service that we provide here without sending you out to a dealership or having a third party come in. So this is another nice difference I'd like to share with you. It is the digital vehicle inspection report. We do this digitally so that you can get it in your text or your email. We go through all the different parts of the vehicle with pictures, etc. You're able to have discussions with us if you like. You're also able to make decisions and let us know if you accept or decline that particular repair or maintenance. In order to show you this, I'm going to share you the inspection from our shuttle, which is another nice difference. We have a shuttle that's available where we will pick you up, drop you off, and based on some situations, we'll even pick up and drop off your vehicle after we've repaired it. Let's take a look at the inspection for the shuttle. So when you come in and you get this inspection, we will take pictures, we'll take all of the status of your vehicle. So we'll look at tires and look at the condition to make sure you're safe there. And then we'll go through and do a full inspection, taking a look at everything from wipers, batteries, engine oil, etc. Really take a deep dive to see what is going on. In this particular case, as we've taken some pictures and looked at some things, we've got brake fluid recommendation for the shuttle based on mileage. We've got fuel system service. We've got a leak with the timing cover gasket. And so these are all things that we can share with you and give you the pictures so that whether you're sitting in our lobby or if you're at home at work, you have the ability to see exactly what we're talking about. We believe in trust, but verify. This is a service we provide here at Christian Brothers Automotive in Bolingbrook. So a nice difference that we have here at Christian Brothers Automotive in Bolingbrook is the fact that we have won many awards in our short 4-year period. In 2021, we won 3 different awards from our home office for sales and customer service ratings. In 2022, we received an award for having the cleanest shop in the brand. As well, in 2022, we won an award for being in the sales, the Gold Club, all right? We were a rising star in 2020. And also in 2020, we received an award from the Bolingbrook Chamber of Commerce for being best in class. So those are all awards that we're very proud of, and we consider that to be a nice difference. The next nice difference we want to share with you is our warranty. Our warranty is 3 years, 36,000 miles, whichever comes last. Usually warranties are whatever comes first, and they're 12-12 or 24-24. So in order to have this type of warranty, we have to use premium parts, and we have to have top talent installing them. Regarding talent, we do have top talent. We have 4 master techs in our building, which is pretty much unheard of. We have ASC certified technicians with their ratings not just as master tech, but also L1. And so we are very proud of the people that we have working with us. This is also a very nice difference. Again, this is Paul Cruz, the owner of Christian Brothers Automotive in Bolingbrook, located at 714 South Weber. Thank you for taking some time to see the features of our shop that highlight the nice difference. We hope to see you in our shop soon.